A daily scenario presents a device that lets someone swap memories with a person they meet for 24 hours, turning each encounter into a test of identity. Option A keeps the owner's core memories intact while using the swap only for brief, practical insights. Option B allows a full memory exchange, leaving the user with another's memories for a day and risking confusion and blurred boundaries. Comment below with which path you'd choose and how your sense of self would endure the swap. Like, subscribe, and share your own would you rather ideas to spark ongoing community discussion.